Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to get targeted traffic from TikTok right here. So if you want to target United States audience, or you want to target United Kingdom audience, Indians, or any other traffic or country you want to target, I want to show you the specific method to target them on the TikTok app. Now follow me and follow every instruction here step by step, and let's go. But before we go right here, make sure you subscribe to this channel, because this is the part 4 of the CPM marketing challenge that we are doing here on this channel. So if you love this video, give it a thumb up and then subscribe to see the next one. So let's go. Now search for TikTok on your phone right here. But before you start every other thing, now make sure you are using a separate phone for this job. So let's say you have your own phone you are using. You don't have to use it for this job. You have to use a separate phone. You might get a separate phone for yourself, okay? And remove the SIM card right here. So once you remove the SIM card, so that TikTok will not be able to track your location. Now come over to this TikTok app. I have to uninstall the TikTok app. Remember, this is not my own method phone, this is my personal phone, so I will not uninstall this. Now let me show you what to do after I finish uninstalling this right now. Now I have to go over to Play Store. Now search for Play Store right here. Once you come over to your Play Store, these are the two apps you have to download. You have to download a VPN, and then you have to download a fake GPS right here. Fake GPS. Search for fake GPS right here, and you will see a lot of them right here. But I suggest and advise you download this one. Okay, so look at the logo right here. This is the one you're gonna be downloading for this job. As you can see, this is the one I also have on my phone. Now after downloading this thing, you have to open it here. Let me try updating my own. I can try canceling the update so I can show you guys what I want. Now I have to come over and I have to use it on my phone. Let me search for the GPS here. Now I have to open the GPS and I have to turn and to United States or any country I want right here. Now it's on United States right here, as you can see, and it's playing already. Okay, if you want to know if it's turned on, then you have to come over here and then scroll through your phone. You must see it up here. Okay, so if you do not see it up there, click on display. Now it's playing already right now. So if you still turn it off, it will turn off. Now look up here, it has come up, as you can see. It says the fake GPS is running. This fake GPS will remove your location and start browsing from the location you selected. Now from the VPN you downloaded, all you have to do, search for the VPN and then turn it on to the country of your choice. You can download the Beer Money VPN, or you can use the NordVPN for this. So turn it also on to the country you want right here. Now go over to Play Store again and let me show you what you're going to be doing. Now once you come over to Play Store, click on your profile here, and then you have to go over to your setting here. And once you come over to setting, click on this general, and then you have to clear your cookies right here. So you have to click on this page that says account and device preference. As you can see, account, country and history. So click there, and then you have to come over to the next page. The next page, this is the page that you have to clear your history right here. Now as you can see right here, clear device history. Click on device history and clear every device history right here. Now you can also clear the wish list and clear the wish list right here by clicking on clear. So everything will be cleared, and then you have to go back here. Let me show you the next thing you have to do before you download the TikTok app. You have to go over to your setting here. Go over to your setting now, and if you don't understand this video, make sure you watch it thoroughly so you can understand. Now you have to come and search for location. Now click on this location and you have to turn off the location. As you can see, my own is turned off now. Okay, so turn off your location so that TikTok will not also be able to locate you. Now come over to your Play Store and then you have to search for TikTok app and download the TikTok app. So after downloading the TikTok app, you can actually open it and start posting your video. So you can use TikTok, maybe you are promoting a dating offer or you're promoting an e-commerce offer, but do not promote giveaway offer from here. Okay, so because TikTok will bind you easily. So you can promote either dating offer, but make sure you are masking your link, or you can use the Gmail method for this. If you don't know how to use the Gmail automation promoting offers on social media, then comment below and I will show you how. So if you love this video, make sure you give me a thumb up, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.